Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Nokia C21 Plus, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 best themes for your device. Okay, let's get started. At the third place of our top is theme Niagara Launcher. So let's find the theme in Play Store. So just open Play Store and find here Niagara Launcher. Find it, click Install. Wait a while. Click Open. Go it. Agree and continue. Great. Here you need to choose your favorite apps you are using for every day. Click OK and great. As you can see, there is a launcher with very minimalistic design. Here you see your favorite applications, and here you see alphabetical line. If you want to find any app, for example Play Store, just tap your finger to alphabetical line and drag it to desired letter. For example, P letter to find Play Store, and as you can see, it's very simple to use. If you want to set this launcher as default, you need to open Settings, then scroll down, click Apps and Notifications, Advanced, Default Apps, then Home App, and and Niagara Launcher. Okay, great. So I love this launcher because it's very simple and it's very easy to run on not powerful devices. Okay, so on the second place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. So let's find it. Just find Smart Launcher 6 and install this application. Click Open. Wait a while, click Get Started. I agree, confirm. We need to set up this launcher. So click Continue while using the app. Allow. Confirm. Here you can pay for premium, but premium gives you blur effect, wallpapers, 3D perspective like in iPhone, ultra immersive mode, folders in the app page, and double finger. So we don't need these features to use this launcher. We need only this great appearance. Okay, as you can see here, we have really great appearance, really great design with minimalistic icons in smart launcher style. And the best feature of this launcher is app grouping feature. As you can see here, we have all my contacts app, here all my internet and scrolling apps, here all games, media, utilities, and settings applications. So this launcher is simple too. This launcher is beautiful. Okay, this launcher is beautiful and simple. Okay, here we have Smart Search. Using Smart Search, we can search for documents from Google Docs. This application Smart Search indexing your contacts, emails, apps, and content from the apps, like in iPhone. Okay, so I love this launcher because here we have apps grouping feature and Smart Search feature. Okay, and on the first place in my top is Microsoft Launcher. So just find it, Microsoft Launcher. Click Install. Click Open. Get started while using the app. Allow. Continue. Okay, so here we have the screen of connecting Microsoft account to Microsoft launcher, and if you will connect your Microsoft account to this launcher, then you will be able to receive messages and receive calls on your Windows device. So using Microsoft launcher and Microsoft account, you can create the mini ecosystem between your phone and your Microsoft Windows device. For example, if you have Microsoft Windows 11 or Windows 10 laptop, you can use it in pair. Okay, so I will not show you how to do it now because I'm so sorry, because I just want to show you appearance of this launcher. So great, set as default, Microsoft launcher, set as default, always, great. And okay, in this launcher we have just simple home screen app, and here we have a simple app drawer, and here we have panel of widgets. So it's all we need to use launcher, to use device. But here we have widgets panel, not the news panel. We have news here too, but here we have widgets panel. Why glance widgets panel is great to use? Because here you can set up all widgets you want. You can hide Microsoft default widgets and add your favorite widgets from Google or from Bing. I don't know what are you using for. For example, I can create widget from Google Drive, and you can set up everything in this launcher. You can hide applications, hiding apps. Okay, click hide apps. For example, I want to hide these applications. I can set password for these apps. So it's really great feature. This launcher, you can set up this launcher in your way. Here you have change wallpaper in one tap. So if your wallpapers get you bored, so just click on this button and you have new wallpapers. Okay, and here we have Microsoft launcher setup, and here we have gestures. You can set up gestures in the way you want. As you can see, here we have reach difference of gestures. We can set up 2-finger swipe up, 2-finger swipe down, double tap swipe up, double tap swipe down, pinch in, pinch out. So here we have set up everything. For example, we can set the opening of any application. For example, I want to open Gallery when I swiping down with 2 fingers. So just swipe down, and as you can see, here we have Gallery. Okay, so you can set up this launcher in way you want. You can set up your favorite apps panel. You have 5 applications here. You can make 4 applications or 6 applications here, but here you have additional line of favorite applications. As you can see, here you have set up really everything in the way you want. So for this, I love this launcher and I suggest you use it and try it. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.